Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Troll. I am Crypto Troll, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, it's an exciting day for Crypto.com and the Cronos blockchain. You know, a couple of days ago, they deployed the Cronos blockchain, and it's actually dApps being built on there as we speak. And today, we're going to cover a dApp. You know, I'm pretty sure they're promoting this because they put it on the DeFi wallet app on the phone, you know, on iOS. So I'm pretty sure this is their or one of the first dApps on the platform, and that is VVS Finance, man. Yeah, VVS Finance. Hey, I like the name, man. VVS's, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, VVS Finance, you know, your gateway to the decentralized finance movement. This is, you know, one of the first dApps on the Cronos blockchain, and we can see, you know, just all the different tweets, and we're gonna go through that as well and just show you the platform. I might even make a liquidity pool. I think, you know, I got a couple of dollars I can play around with, so I'm gonna make a liquidity pool as well. So this is gonna be an exciting Web 3.0 episode, man. Just getting in on the ground floor of the Cronos blockchain. So we're going to get straight into that. But before we do, make sure you follow me on Twitter. This is where you can get directly in contact with me. You know, if you had any questions about anything, follow me on Twitter. And then, man, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You know, show love to the kid. I appreciate everybody for tuning in and just rocking with me and just following my journey, because this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. I'm just showing my journey and what I'm personally investing in, and, you know, the risk that I'm taking. But you don't have to take the same risk. You can just follow the journey along and just watch me make, you know, wealth and create a abundance of wealth if you want to, or you can know just use the different things that I show in the Web 3.0 to make you some extra money, because it don't take a lot of money to make money in the crypto space. But also never risk anything that you can lose, or you it won't let you or allow you to sleep at night. So that's my little spiel right there. I gotta let you know that, you know, always do your own research and everything. But let's get straight into it, man. VVS Finance. This is the Twitter. You know, this is where you can join the Telegram. This is and also where you can join the Discord as well. And then the link to the actual site is in the bio too. So let's just scroll down. We can see that they don't have that many tweets. Like I said, the Cronos blockchain just deployed a couple of days ago. I believe actually like the beginning of this week. So crypto.com just now introducing in-app browser in the crypto.com DeFi wallet. So this is really happening very, very fast, man. And like I said, this is huge in my opinion, just because crypto.com already has so many users that's, you know, not even in the DeFi sector. So just think about all the money that crypto.com has, and they want their blockchain to succeed. So they are going to fund these early projects. I'm telling you, that's my personal belief in it. So that's why I was so ready to hop on this, just because it's still early, and I believe crypto.com will flood money into some of the first projects on the blockchain. So we can see a couple of the liquidity pools right here, and they have some good, you know, 4-digit APRs currently, man. So and look at the money that's being staked in here. I don't even know. I didn't look at the date. But look at it already. This was deployed a couple of days ago, and we see the Crow and ETH is already at $11.8 million, and then Crow and Wrap Bitcoin is at 11.2. So we seeing liquidity added fast on VVS Finance. But you know me, I always say, look at the white paper, man. Look at the docs behind it. So what I want to do is I want to go to VVS Finance, click on the website. I actually already had it pulled up, but just click on it again to show you from the beginning. So this is where you would on your phone, you would actually have to go to the crypto.com DeFi wallet and actually connect your wallet with the scan. And once you do it, it'll be on there. I guess it doesn't automatically reconnect. So I'm not sure if you have to do it every single time you do it, because I already did it on this other tab. So I'm just gonna click on this other tab that I already had open. So boom, this is VVS Finance pretty much. And this is the home screen of it. And this is pretty much the trading portion. But I want to look at the docs real quick, man. Let's look at the docs, and I'm gonna go back to that. I know y'all like, man, I want you to create a liquidity pool. We're gonna get into that. I'm telling you, I'm not about to read this whole white paper because I'm just gonna scan through it, just kind of go over and just view what the tokenomics are. So meet VVS Finance, blah, blah, blah. You can go and read that for yourself. I showed you how to get to the white paper. But let's just look at this real quick. So we got the bling swap. You can swap supported tokens at low fees and fast speed. You can also supply liquidity by providing a pair of assets, receive liquidity provider tokens as proof of ownership, and earn 0.2% of transactions fees whenever that pair is traded. And then you got the crystal farms where you can stake your LP tokens to receive VVS rewards, man. So that's going to be something I might look into as well. Then you have the glitter mines. You can stake your newly earned VVS tokens to receive even more VVS tokens. So stake, forget, and collect. And then something that looks very exciting is the initial gem offering. So pretty much you can discover new projects in a fast-growing Cronos universe. So you can buy brand new tokens at a fixed initial offering price and join a ride. So hey, that's something that's gonna be, something to look forward to, just because if projects are coming to VVS Finance to pretty much bootstrap their journey, then it's just going to bring more users and volume to VVS. So that's very bullish in my eyes. So if you want to go more depth into it, you can look into it and just click on those and just look in, pretty much the guides for them. Also, I like how their white paper is set up too, man. It's very laid out. You can really just go through it and just look at, the product guides. And it's just showing you the glitter mines, and I'm gonna go, through all of that on the actual platform as well. But just look at the white paper. I just like how it's just really pretty much laid out and put together. But one thing I do want to check out is the light paper. So what I want to see, what's the tokenomics, man. So it's a 50 trillion VVSs will be produced the first year, having each year thereafter. So 50 trillion is a lot of tokens. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's a lot of tokens. But when you think about it, especially with it being the first DApp, it's possible that people will buy at fast speeds, and then they have halvings every year after. But like I said, 50 trillion, that's a lot of tokens, man. But let's just see what's the distribution. So we see 100% of the total allocated tokens in these categories to be unlocked at launch. So we got network security and maintenance, 13% for security audit. And we got the ecosystem development, and that's 13%. Then the community, 30% forum, 2% for traders, 2% for market makers, 15% to community for future initiatives. And that's unlocked after 12 months. And then the team gets 23% vested for 4 years daily vesting. So the tokenomics is decent tokenomics in my opinion. But like I said, it's just a project that I'm going to get just be a digging into, man. Like I said, it's decent tokenomics, but I also like that it's like a pretty much like or rather the initial gem offering. I'm excited about that. And I believe if you create a liquidity pool for VVS and Crow, then you have an opportunity to actually receive free tokens or airdrops when, projects get onto the platform, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm just gonna, I forgot where I read it at. Let me see if I can find. So boom, here it is. It's actually under the key functionalities. So, users can get early access to tokens in the Cronos ecosystem and enjoy a higher reward by participating in the VVS initial gems offering. So, using the VVS Crow LP tokens, users can purchase the new project's token by participating in the two available modes, basic sale and unlimited sale. So, users can commit VVS Crow token up to a maximum determined amount, different for each project. Example, $100, $500 worth, and no participation fees in case there's an overflow in subscription. Any unspent LP token will be returned. So that's something, that might be exciting as well, that you can use that specific liquidity pool for the initial gem offerings, man. So that's what I was looking at. Like I said, if you wanted to read the white paper in more in depth, you can go and check it out, because I don't want this video to be extremely too long, man. But check out that white paper if you want it to. But we finna get straight into the good stuff, man. So VVS Finance, man. So currently this is VVS Finance. This is the home page. So I'm going to connect my wallet real quick, and I'm going to connect the crypto.com DeFi wallet. And you can get the crypto.com DeFi wallet at the Chrome store, the Chrome extension store. You just type it in Google, it'll pop straight up. And then when you go to the store, just type in crypto.com DeFi wallet and it will pop right up. So right now we want to go to trade. And also another thing, on your DeFi wallet on your phone, you will have to bridge from the Cronos or the crypto.org mainnet to the Cronos beta. And it's going to be, clear as broad daylight on the phone or app. All I got to do is go to your DeFi wallet on your phone and just, pretty much bridge it over. And then once you do that, it's going to appear in your wallet on your desktop, and you also have to scan it, but that's simple. Once you download it, it's pretty much self-explanatory. So this is the extension. Boom, we got the extension now. I got 655 Crow in my wallet, and today I'm going to make a Crow and VVS liquidity pool. So you already know I always make liquidity pools. So this is what we do, man. I usually, my personal preference, so I usually just do half or half. So 655 divided by 2, that will give me 327. But also I want to keep some over for gas fees. So just to be safe, I'm just going to put 320. So we want to do Crow 320 to VVS. So 320 Crow will give me 544,000 VVS, because VVS is currently like 0.0002. And like I said, it's so many tokens, man. It's like 50 trillion tokens. But I'm just showing you because I am a digging. Crypto Troll is a digging guy. So don't take financial advice from me. But anyway, we're going to swap that out, man. Let's swap it out. Confirm the swap. And let's see how fast the Cronos chain is, man. Let's just see how fast the Cronos chain is. So it's a please proceed on the, so you got to do it from the mobile. So you actually got to confirm it from the mobile wallet. Now, I don't know if I really liked it, y'all. I don't know if I really liked it. Let's see. Hold on. So now I got to put pretty much a 30. I'm just going to say 31. Boom. Come on, baby. Work for me. Yeah, I'm really not understanding why it's not going through, y'all. Hold on. Boom. So I finally got it. I had to update my DeFi wallet, man. So now I'm confirming it. I don't really like that you gotta do it through mobile. It kind of gives you, but I ain't gonna lie, that kind of gives you security though, I guess you can say. But you gotta have your phone with you. I don't know if it's a way you can switch it off. I'm not sure. If you know, let me know so I can do it, because I do not like that. But I guess it adds some type of security to it. So that's cool. But now we did that, man. So now we got some VVS. Now it's time to earn. So let's go to the earn portion. So we see in the earn, we got farms and then we got mines. So on the mines, this is pretty much where you could stake your VVS, and currently it's a 4-digit APR. And then look at this, the auto stake. The auto stake is like crazy, man. So, woo, good rewards, good rewards. So if you wanted to get in that, you could, and that is the mining portion of VVS. But then we go to farms, man. Look at this. That picture I showed earlier in the video was very much off, man. Look at this money in it. It's so much liquidity in VVS right now. I might be buying the top, y'all. Hold on, let me see. Am I buying the top? Look at the liquidity. So it's currently $357 million in this. I'm telling you, it's gonna hit $1 billion. It's gonna hit $1 billion because crypto.com, they can't let this fail, man. They can't, because they already, I'm telling you, the team is smart. They're bidding it outright. They're promoting it. They're putting it on the DeFi wallet out, as an ad pretty much. So, I mean, people are going to use VVS Finance. People are going to come into it as the DEX on crypto.com for now. Things might change, things always, but we see it's today right now it's up 40%, man. Am I buying the top, y'all? Where is the charts, man? Where's the charts? I mean, I really don't care though, because it's a long-term hold, and then it's only 200. Who cares? You know what I'm saying? So look, we finna go add this liquidity. Let's add liquidity to Crow and VVS. So we do the Crow and VVS, and what we want to do, we pretty much want to actually go back to the trade and go to liquidity and add liquidity. So go there, and then I want to hit Crow, and I want to do max, not max Crow. I actually want to do max VVS, and then come down to Crow. So max VVS gives me 320 Crow. So that gives me enough to have some for gas fees as well. So enable it. Then I got to connect to my mobile phone again, man. Like I said, I guess it adds security. I mean, it makes me feel safer that I got to connect to my phone, but it's just doing too much. Why not just have me a password or something like that? But I understand. Boom. Now, let's apply it. And I got to do the same thing again. It got to be a better way, y'all. It has to be. For right now, I guess it works, but I feel like it has to be a better way to do this. So boom, transaction submitted. It's currently pending. And network fees are cheap, man. That just cost me about 1 Crow. Not too bad. It's not better than Harmony, but it's cheap though. It's better than ETH. So boom. Transaction is completed, y'all. So the transaction is completed. I have 12,000 liquidity pool tokens in this particular wallet. So now we want to go to the farms, and then we want to go to Crow and VVS, man. Currently is at 44.92 APR. So I want to enable that farm, and now I have to go back to my phone again. And that particular fee was 0.22 Crow. So hey, Crow doing this thing, man. It's cheap fees on Crow. It's so many options better than ETH right now. Like I can't even see myself being on ETH blockchain, y'all. I don't see how people even. You got to be rich to be on ETH, man. I apply everybody who's still doing transactions on ETH. But okay, back to it. So now you want to stake the LP, and I'm gonna do max. So boom, max. So now it's just confirming, and we wait. Boom. So your funds have been staked in the farm. So that is how you do it, man. That is how you pretty much create a liquidity pool on VVS Finance. And you can see I'm already earning VVS right now. I got 27 VVS. So we're earning money, making passive income on the Cronos blockchain, crypto.com. If you know me, I always been talking about crypto.com, but this is a game changer because more and more dApps are going to be built out on crypto.com, and we already know what they got going with the exchange and also just the app. But now you bring DeFi into the situation, and you already know the diggings like me are going to flood the markets, especially on the blockchains, man. So once people get more aware of VVS, I believe more and more liquidity is going to be flooded into it. Me personally, I think right now is more so not institutional, but more so whales in it right now. I don't think it's a lot of retail into it. So I think we're still early in it. It's still at the bottom. But like I said, it's really been pumping since it's been out. So we could see a dip. But always invest on your own terms, man. Do your own research and do what's comfortable for you. So that's my video for today. Like I said, Crypto Cho, VVS Finance. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, man. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Get directly in contact with me, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hey, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Crypto Cho, I'm out of here.